If you film on Samsung or an Android flagship phone, but you edit on a Mac computer, you're going to want to use local send to move data from one machine to another, and that's what we're doing here. So I've downloaded this software off GitHub on both machines, the the Apple computer and the Samsung phone, and I've selected my video files from my last project, and I'm sending them over to the Mac computer we are using to edit those files, and that is what we're doing here. So this is what they look like on the Mac side as they come over. Pretty cool, right? Yeah, this is basically a replacement for Airdrop, except it's using your LAN, your local area network, to send the data from one device to another. And the coolest thing about it, it's completely free and open sourced, so you don't need to buy anything. And it's got a lot of support on this website called GitHub. You can do all the configuration on the Mac client in the local send GUI, where you can see I've saved this to a folder, volumes, Bucks data, sprint revealed, July, Samsung, etc. Simple as that. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around.